We're now going to look at using packages. Now, packages make difficult coding easier as the code has already been produced and shared. So we type in install.packages, brackets dipley. Dipley is a package that manipulates data sets, cleans them, things like that. We download it, and I'm going to show you how to download and install the package from CRAN, which is the Comprehensive R Archive Network. You can then load that into the session by typing in library brackets dipley. Dipley.select selects a particular function from that package which you can use. Data, as we've Iris, is a pre-built data set, and we're going to load that into the environment, and I'll show you the sort of things that we can use that package for. Now, to load a package into the RStudio, so if we want to install, then you click on install, and not sure whether we've got any of these. If I've not, I might download that one. So we install that, install, and then it will run, and this will install the package down here. All of these here are ones that I have already used and I've already installed. If I want to use any of these, then I type in library, and then I think the one that I was going to use was R. So we type library R, and then if we run, easiest way to run that code is to press Control Alt, and then that will run the code. So that is Control Alt B to run the code, and then here we're attacking package dipley, the following objects. That is something we don't need to worry too much about. Now, if we look on here, this is a package that we've loaded up into there, and it should be ticked. So there it is, dipley. It's a grammar of data manipulation. So what dipley does, it enables you to manipulate data sets and put them in the form that you can actually use to run code from. We'll come more onto that in later courses. If you want to update any courses, then you tick the course along here and update. If you want to update all, then I think it will give you the option, select all and update them. I do that every so often just to make sure I'm using the most up-to-date package, because these things are updated all the time and new things are put on there. So when you do a Google search, you can look for new packages. You'll see here people talking about certain ones, and you've got a vast array of free packages to use. So if there is one available, use that. And there's usually lots of examples, lots of information about how to use them correctly.